Inday Sara, the rise of a relentless force. Born on May 31, 1978, in Davao City, Sara Zimmerman Duterte Carpio, known to many Filipinos simply as Inday Sara, was never just the daughter of a president. Hindi siya basta anak, ang isang pangulo. Isa siyang bagyong may sariling direksyon. Raised in a household steeped in public service, she inherited not just a name, but a legacy. Sa tahanang pinanday ng paglilingkod, minana niya ang isang pamana. Ngunit, pinili niyang bigyang bagong anyo. Before politics, she was a lawyer. Her rise was swift and bold. Noong 2007, nahalal siyang pangalawang alkalde ng Davao. At sa 2010, naging kauna-unahang pinakabatang babaeng alkalde. Her leadership was marked by grit and grassroots governance. Isang pamumuno na mabilis kumilos. Isang leader na siyang lumalapit sa kanyang nasasakupan. She launched Davao Life is Here, turning the city into a magnet for growth. Sa kanyang pamumuno, umangat ang ekonomiya ng rehiyon. Mula 3.9% noong 2011, umabot sa 7.1% sa sumunod na taon. In 2022, Sara Duterte stepped onto the national stage. Kasabay nito, pinamunuan niya ang kagawaran ng edukasyon, isang hamon na tinanggap niya ng buong tapang. Behind the public persona is a woman of many layers. Sa likod, ng titulo isang ina, isang sundalo, isang Pilipinang may bisyon para sa bayan. Her journey from Davao City Hall to the halls of Malacanang is not just a tale of power. Ito ay kwento ng tibay, bisyon at tunay na paglilingkod.